A recent study noted that over 70% of companies are not maximizing their digital and social media. 70%, that's a lot of people that are not realizing their investment on what they're spending in marketing. Which is why GRM is now offering a Kickstart program specifically designed to provide your team training and best practices on how to create a more competitive social media program. We work alongside your team in a hands-on 4-stage 90-day program. GRM's Team Kickstart program is based on our experience of building category-leading brands in multiple product categories. Among our successful social media programs, GRM has built a nonprofit from scratch to more than 350,000 followers and more than $1 million a year in online donations. We also built a resort from 35,000 to 375,000 followers and more than $500,000 in direct revenue from social media each year. We will impart this expertise to your team for about what it costs to employ your current resources for 2 months. Expect in 90 days that you will have a competitive edge and a renewed vigor in your social media program. Call or email us for details, including pricing and our next scheduled opening to chat with you.